Tahoe? No, but actually they're building new signs just to kind of, they're going to be developing all of this whole area quite a bit. And actually we're here in a street called Avenida do Hospital del Ilhas, basically the avenue of the island's hospitals. And just to give you a little context, that's Cotai Strip down that way. These are all hospitals, and they're going to call them Hospital of the Islands Hospital. And they're all brand new. It's going to increase the capacity by 50%. So, so I think I read something like there's like about 3,500 beds, and there's going to be like 1,700 more, or something like that. And actually, these is also like increased as well. This is a Cotai Strip down that way. That's a golf course right there. There's construction over there for Zhuhai, Hengqin, China. So they're all kind of integrating this whole area. But anyways, I'm going to be talking a lot more about it and showing you the Avenida of the island hospitals, as well as that waterway over there too. That's all new too. Dang, a lot of new stuff in Macau. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, let's kind of show you what's all going on here. So those are the hospitals. We're going to walk directly down that way. And just for a little bit of context, there's this whole waterway in here. Those are filled with hiking trails everywhere, all of Koloman. So that's going to be more accessible now in the future. These down here, these are like kind of social housing over there, but then over on that side there's like the now defunct Hotel 13, which was a quite expensive hotel, and this one oasis, which is kind of an oasis for expats. And right here they're building this train line. So this train line is going to go to Koloman, towards that direction. I don't know how far down, but we're definitely going to be down to that spot. And it comes out to this spot here, which is already a train line that came about 2-3 years ago. And that train line goes out through all the casinos in Taipa and to the airport and such like that as well. But yeah, if you can, there's like Galaxy construction over there for that casino. There's straight ahead would be the Cotai Strip, basically. So let's go check this out. Here's our target street. Those are the island's hospital with some construction here. There's a sign that says Kaho right here, which is basically a small town that that's on the other side of these mountains over that direction. And let's kind of show you the waterway as well. And yeah, they got like a bicycle path now for bicyclists. You can, joggers are starting to run around here a little bit. And then we got this kind of man-made water right here, so there's still got a lot of construction stuff for it as well. And we'll see how that develops. Right now it's all kind of cement, and well, we'll see. Let's just say no dog walking, no littering, no loud noises, no fishing, no graffiti, no kite flying, and no smoking. Okay, well, there you go. Public bathroom straight ahead. So actually these are hospital beds. Looks like some nice windows anyways. That's all I know so far. So yeah, actually there's quite a capacity, quite an expansion. That's one of the plans in Macau's near future. Just to kind of give you some background, all the major casinos, they all pledged, I think it was a total of about $14 billion into non-gaming kinds of things. And one of them is like healthcare and wellness center. I think it's the Galaxy, I think. One of them is going to be doing a big focus on wellness and preventative medicine for tourism and such like that. So you get a lot of stuff like that. There's a train line, so yeah, they're also building the train line in there as well. So we'll see how it all goes. And all this is kind of basically new. I guess I'm on the, I guess that's the bike lane over there. So this one, what's this one then? We'll see in a second, because we're gonna walk by up there, because it looks like there's like 4 bike lanes. Doesn't make any sense. But yeah, so anyways, this is more or less a new road. I don't really remember it in the past. Let's check this out, bike lane stuff. Okay, so that's a bike lane for sure, and I kind of verified that back there. And then I guess this one is actually a running lane. So this is for joggers. And it even has measurements on it, so you can measure that you're at 600 meters as well. That's kind of interesting. And there's another one up here too. And this one says 100 meters. So I guess you could do the 700 meter dash, I guess. So 100 for one direction, 600 for the other. Doing some landscaping in here. So all this is pretty new. Yeah, kind of cool. So that's all the islands, and you can kind of see all the stuff over that way as well. Hello. Yeah, so that's like looks really nice actually. Kind of getting a peek view of what the hospital is going to look like. So right now a lot of people go to Gyeongwoo, but Gyeongwoo is to be honest, a lot of people don't like Gyeongwoo so much. They kind of say that most of the doctors come, you know, they don't really speak much English. They don't. Their education levels are, their doctoral knowledge is like not so strong. So people don't really trust them so much. I think what we're gonna do is go across. Kind of want to see what we can see over here. I also want to see this is what this other street is. So you can kind of see the hospital there. Let's see here. There's another street right here. Same name. So there's basically like 4 lanes. Let me just kind of see. I think we have a red tape, so we can't go into it at all, but we can put our camera in it a little bit. So it says General Hospital. Got a nice little loop all the way around. Administrative buildings, rehabilitation. So we'll kind of get a little bit of a view on this side anyways. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be kind of cool. So they're kind of getting it all built up. It looks like it's going to be fully realized pretty soon. And I guess what we're going to do is we'll just keep walking down this way. Don't climb over the wall. Don't enter the site without permission. So we're going to walk over that way in a second, but I'm just going to kind of come around the corner here. So so we can kind of see. This is actually really common, this whole area of we're basically between Koloan, which are all these mountains up there, and that's Koloan as well. Basically Koloan used to be its own island, and then Taipa used to be another island, the middle island between Macau Peninsula, Taipa Island, Koloan Island. And then of course they put there's a parking garage right there that they got planned. So basically they fused these 2 islands together, Taipa to the north and Koloan, and then in the middle they call it Cotai, Koloan and Taipa. So we're basically kind of still in the Cotai because it's flat, and this is where they would have put the land between that island and Koloan. So we're just going to walk a little bit further, see what's around the corner, just so we can kind of get the full context of this street. I think this street's going to end probably after this building, but I do want to capture as much as I can. You can see some construction worker sites over there. I filmed over here before on a bike, and I went by that. I was kind of filming there's like a bunch of housing over there for construction workers. Let's go over to this side real quick. And then we're going to keep on going down that way in a minute. But I do kind of want to show you that there's some public bathrooms right there. There's a playground right here. There's some biking already. And we're just going to kind of give you some context. So we're going to also show this one too, so people can park here. And I've parked over here before, so there's a parking lot over here. And then there's another playground over there too. So I'm going to bring the camera up here real quick. So those are all of our lanes and such. And we'll try to get a view from this side. Okay. So you kind of got a view, this little site. So those are the island hospitals all the way down. And then it kind of continues down and it says Kyungwoo Nursing College. So there, right down there's a nursing college as well. And it comes right up to these Koloman mountains. So kind of cool. So if we keep on going down, more exercise equipment, but right up on Koloan. A bit windy. Now you can see the Kyungwoo Nursing College right there. And in the distance you can see more cranes. That's MGM Casino. And then if we keep walking down, which is what our plan is to do, we're gonna, but I'm gonna turn the camera off though too, is we're gonna see more stuff all the way down. So we're definitely gonna do that. But yeah, you can see Morpheus Casino down that way. There's Kyungwoo. And I don't even know what this building is. Yeah, actually, there's a lot to explore in this area, to be honest. Yeah, and actually this is going to be like a 4-lane road, so right now it's not so utilized at the moment, but I bet in the future it will be. And I think I might just go the whole distance. There's a big roundabout all the way down to the end. I usually drive it. That looks so nice. Give a little context of where we are. Okay, this one has like a garage right here. That's 2 garages. So we're right up against Koloan right in this spot. Yeah, I wonder what they're going to do with all this space. And then over there, this is the electric company, CEM. I think that's electric. And then straight ahead is Grand Lisboa. There's a Macau Palace. Sorry, there's a Lisboa Palace, and then there's a Wind Palace. MGM Casino, Morpheus Casino. So now we're seeing more of these. Let's see if our street changed. It might have changed. But right up against these. And let's see. Yeah, we're still on our street, so we're still on Avenida of the hospitals of the islands. Pretty cool. Yeah, and then there's also some kind of landfill stuff as well. Let me flip this camera around. Right. There's our busy street right there. Actually, that street, it looks so quiet right now, but in the future it'll probably be very, very busy, so yeah, it should be interesting. Okay, and there's right up to the mountain here. And if we keep on walking down, we'll see what they're gonna do with that. There's like cranes, but way down at the end there's like all the garbage from Macau. There's like a landfill way at the end. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film that or not, but it is down there. We're still walking down. We've kind of got a nice view of this right here, and I don't know what all this is. They're really tearing up all the ground right there. So that's the island hospitals, of course, that we walked past, and it looks kind of deep too. So that's actually going to be kind of ground moving and earth shaking. Phenomenal. There's our street right there. But yeah, I don't know all this other stuff. I don't know if that's also connected to the hospital or if they're planning all other stuff out in this area as well. But that's the East Asia Games arena right there, and now you can get a better view of the strip as well. So yeah, that one's Studio City with that little 8 right there. It's like a little Ferris wheel. Parisian, the Eiffel Tower. Venetian is next to it. Across the street is Londoner. So these 4 right here are all part of Londoner. Sheraton Hotel is in there. A couple other hotels. MGM Casinos right there. Morpheus is behind that. City of Dreams is behind Morpheus. The International School of Macau is over there. East Asia Games, Macau sorry, Lisboa Palace. Macau Palace is kind of near this one right here. This thing that says, it's a French word, Marsan Locatain, something like that. So anyways, yeah, so actually the Islands Hospital basically is going to go down to the train station, and then there's another train station that you can kind of see through that construction over there, but it comes, it's going to drop people off as well near this East Asia Games. See if I can get a view of it again. Yeah, anyways, trust me, there's a train line. I can see the train right there. You see it? So you can see the train stop. I see the train kind of moving across the horizon. It looks like it's going over the sand and such. So yeah, that's the train line does go through here. That's kind of that one line, and then that other one's going to go that way where we saw the construction is at. And yeah, that's all Koloan over on that side. And I think our street's going to end right at East Asia Games. So I hadn't really walked this street before. I've driven it many times, and didn't think it'd be that interesting to walk, but actually it is. Surprisingly, maybe because I have a camera. Anyways, let's zip it that way. Yeah, I know over here there's a bunch of housing too, so sometimes it's kind of interesting to film the housing. It's all like temporary, so that's going to be, I think they're basically all those workers that are building that. I always thought they're working on the casinos, but because there's so much construction everywhere around here. There's a lot of construction down there by Galaxy that's being built quite a bit. So let's come over to our sign, and then we're gonna come up to another street called Lotus Flower Road. So that's our focus right there. Let's just go across this big wide boulevard. We're gonna just go down and across. So now we're on Lotus Flower Road. We're just gonna come over and kind of try to give you some context. So over there is the Islands Road that we just did. So we basically just went like that, and then we went around like that. And those are all the hospitals. And then, yep, all the Cotai Casino Strip, East Asia Games, and then down here is City of Dreams. CEM, Electric Company. And if you go all the way down, there's like a landfill, there's like a factory. All interesting to film. And this is basically Flower Lotus Road. So, okay. But ours was the Islands. All brand new, coming up in Macau. It's gonna be pretty cool. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.